In 1938, there was a man in Hungarian army named Károly, who was the best pistol shooter of his country. He won most of the major national and international championships, and he seemed closest to winning the 1940 Tokyo Olympic gold medal. And that was all the dream for which he had practiced for years. He wanted to make his hand the best shooting hand in the world. But all the dreams turned to dust one day. In 1938, in an army training camp, in an unfortunate accident, one hand grenade exploded in Károly's right hand, in his shooting hand, his best hand. That grenade ended up his Olympic dream as well, the only goal of his life. He had two ways: cry for the rest of his life, or he would have focused back on his dream. But he focused on what he had, not on what he has lost. After 1 year in 1939, Károly went to the National Shooting Championship in his country. His colleagues were delighted to see him and complimenting him on his courage to come up at the championship to cheer for them. But Károly answered that he is not there to cheer them, but to compete them. He was there to compete them with his only hand. And he had practiced for complete 1 year with his left hand to become the best shooter again. And he won the championship. He didn't stop there. His focus was to become the best shooting hand of the world and to win the Olympic gold medal. So he started trying again with his only hand. He started training again with his only hand, and he concentrated his whole energy on 1940 Olympics. But 1940 Olympics got cancelled due to World War II. But he didn't lose his hope, and so he concentrated and training again for 1944 Olympics. But unfortunately, they got cancelled too, due to World War again. He was hard to see his Olympic dream fade away just like a dust. But he kept practice again for 1948 Olympics. He was 28 years of age in 1938, and in 1948 he was 38 years old. And it was hard to compete with the new players, with new energy. But he didn't stop. He went there. Best shooters from all over the world were competing with their best hands. He was the only one competing with his only hand. And the man with the only hand won. Who won? The man with the only hand. And in 1952 Olympics, he won gold medal again and changed the history of Olympics. So when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. But when you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. If you believe in yourself and feel confident in yourself, you can do anything. You can do anything. So believe in yourself and know that everything is possible. Believe me, you must find the place inside yourself where nothing is impossible.